Sean here from Kurrinda Bloodstock. Here we have a beautiful and athletic Sizzling filly that's a half sister to the $1.9 million earner Material Man. She's been educated and broken in by Morgan Thoroughbreds, who's one of the best in the business. She's out of a city-winning Hassanay mare, and we believe she's going to go early. She gives a real 2-year-old type feel. She'll be trained by Scott Singleton at Scone with A-grade facilities. You'll get weekly audio and video updates and first-class communication. With limited shares remaining, please email us, message us, or call Jen today, as it's an opportunity to race a top-quality athlete.